Galing, diba guys? Galing. You want more? Then marami pa tayong jammer later. Thank you so much, Sabia, for jamming with us. Here. So I'm gonna be dedicating the song to our Indians, Hindi-speaking friends or family around here right now. So I'll this song. Please forgive me if I will not be singing pronouncing the words correctly, but I'll try my best. So I prepared this song for you guys, so I'll be like it. Here we go. Here's something by
Companies of all sizes use big
commercial. Thank you so much. Again, forgive me if I'm not saying it correctly. You know the song, sing with me. Here we go, second verse. Here we go. तेरा अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो चैन भी मेरे दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो. Thank you so much. Thank you, bye. Hi Brian, how are you?
Doing great. Hi everyone.
You know.
How's everybody?
I love the energy.
Wow. Welcome to Flavor. Of course, do not forget to try our merienda.
Yes, merienda, our sponsor for today. Merienda, yeah. So you've been working here in Dubai?
Yes.
Working as a
Teacher.
oh, teacher. Yes. Molding the future. Yeah, molding the future of the world, the kids. Yeah. So you're gonna be singing our first night.
I'll be singing through the years.
Ay, wow. Graduation song. Okay.
And this song's for everyone. I hope you enjoy this.
I'd like to acknowledge the presence actually requested by our sponsor for tonight, Merienda, Miss Anne. And I hope you like this one. Sometimes I look at the moon and I thank God I'm breathing. And then I pray no time too soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes even tears are down, but never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play that one day, one day, one day. One day, one day, one day. We go. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they beat them. The songs of the innocent, drenched pavement, keep on moving till the water's stay. one day, one day, one day, one day. One day this all will change, big people will say, stop with the violence, get down with the hate. One day we'll all be free and proud to be. Out there to sing songs of freedom like, all my life I've been praying for the people to sing and the children will be there one day, one day, one day, one day. Pray for world peace right now. We need that right now. So, thank you so much. Right now,
Boss Candy, thank you so much.
okay. So this is gonna be the last song for this set. We're gonna be back after the prayer time. So here's one with Lose Control, the Teddy Swims.
Something's got a hold of you lately. It's hold on myself. Feels like it was a wrong close to me. There was nothing in my world. How many times did I tell you no good at me? It's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to tear and rescue my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're right next to me. You breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Problem is what's wrong with feeling like bad. Baby, some great thing with you. Yeah, I know I can do it on my own, but I want that boom, that magic and it takes two. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I and these memories is keeping on. Can't see the forest to the trees. And it's out on my knees. Tell me please go. I lose control when you're not next to me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? close to me. You're following a car right in front of me. Can't you see I lose control? We go.